Order in the court. The defendant will explain why the evidence appears so delicious. And before anyone starts wagging, let the record show that this court has seen many strange cases, but rarely one with bite marks this specific. Counsel, you may proceed. Your Honor, objection. Because first of all, that shoe was already in a vulnerable, emotional state when I found it. It was lying there by the door, unattended, smelling like adventure, grass, and just a little bit of forbidden greatness. I approached only to investigate. Investigate. With your teeth? A thorough investigation requires multiple senses, Your Honor: sight, smell, and, in some extreme cases, light chewing. Light chewing. Half the heel is missing. Respectfully, that heel was not structurally committed to the shoe. I simply exposed its weakness. The court reminds the defendant that destroying evidence is not the same as analyzing evidence. I understand, Your Honor, but I would like to enter into the record that the human said, and I quote, "Who's a good boy?" earlier that same morning. That statement created a reasonable belief that my judgment was trusted. Being called a good boy does not grant legal immunity. Then I plead temporary excitement. The mailman walked by. A squirrel made eye contact. The vacuum was in the hallway. It was a hostile environment. The court acknowledges the emotional pressure of a hallway vacuum. However, the matter of the missing shoelace remains unresolved. Your Honor, I cannot confirm or deny the shoelace's current location, but I can say it may reappear within 12 to 24 hours. Disgusting, but noted. Final question. Do you regret your actions? Deeply, Your Honor. Would you do it again? If the other shoe is still available, I would need to inspect it for consistency. Then this court finds the defendant adorable, guilty, and sentenced to 3 hours without couch privileges, reduced to 10 minutes due to irresistible face. Court is adjourned, and someone bring me a treat for legal purposes.